Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 9, Refraining from Anger. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on avoiding refraining from anger. The Sutra teaches that if we can truly move past anger, we will gain 8 methods for cultivating a joyful heart. The 8 joys of a resentment-free heart. 1. A mind free of harm. When we are no longer controlled by anger, we stop having thoughts of harming ourselves or others. Our minds become calm and we cease creating suffering. 2. A mind free of resentment. Your heart will no longer be consumed by feelings of resentment and hatred. 3. A mind free of disputes. Without anger, there is no quarreling. We won't find ourselves in conflict with others or get entangled in disputes and lawsuits. 4. A gentle and upright mind. When the ice of anger melts, our hearts become soft and our actions become honest and straightforward. 5. The mind of a sage's compassion. Without the obstacle of anger, the seed of compassion within us can grow. We will naturally and sincerely wish for all beings to be happy, a compassion befitting a sage. 6. A mind that benefits and comforts others. With a compassionate heart, our actions change direction. We no longer just think of ourselves but actively work to benefit the public and bring peace to others. 7. A dignified appearance and universal respect. As the saying goes, the face reflects the heart. If our hearts are filled with anger, our appearance will become uglier. Conversely, when we are free from anger and at peace, our demeanor and temperament will become dignified and serene, naturally earning us respect and admiration. 8. Rebirth in the Brahma heavens. Because we are no longer angry but are gentle and patient, we will quickly be reborn in the pure realm of the Brahma heavens. These are the 8 joyful ways of the heart. If we can dedicate the merit of these practices to the pursuit of supreme enlightenment, then upon becoming a Buddha, our minds will be unobstructed and all-encompassing. The Buddha's dignified form will bring joy to all who see it, and they will never tire of the sight. Thank you for listening.